Welcome to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show how to debug a C or C++ program in Visual Studio Code. Let's get started. Ensure that you have installed GCC, G++, GDB and CLang compiler. You can test it in command prompt or terminal. So let's start a command prompt or terminal and type this command. Okay, now open an existing C or C++ program in Visual Studio Code. Or you can write this code in hello.cpp file and open in Visual Studio Code. Now I will show how to debug C or C++ program in Visual Studio Code. Now select a breakpoint, click left of the line number and this looks like a red circle. Okay. To create a new launch JSON file, click here or press Ctrl Shift D. Click on create a launch.json file. Select environment GDB or LLDB. Okay. Now select a configuration. Select G++ build tool or C++ programming and select GCC build tools for C programming. Okay, select and debugging is started. Okay. Let's see the control panel here. Using this button, you can pause and continue debugging. And this is the step over button. You can forward and using this button, you can restart the debugging. And this is the stop button used to stop debugging. Okay, see the variables with the value that assigned the left side. In the variable section, see locals. Here are two locals variable n and sum, and you will see. Now step over and enter value for n, enter, and then step over. Okay, and this is working cool. And notice the value of I, n and sum changing. In watch section, you can see the changes of variables value. You can add extension for expression variable here, type I, type sum, and type sum plus I. Okay, now step over and see the result in watch section. Okay, now the condition returns false value, so program flow go out of the loop body, outside of the loop, and now step over and see the result. The end and step over return 0, so main function exit now. Okay, you can restart the debugging by click on this button. So at first select, open the program file, and now Ctrl Shift D and click on this button. Okay, you can restart and debug again. You can debug the C program using the same way. Just select GCC compiler from Windows operating system, select gdb.exe for debugging. If you like this video, give a like for this video, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.